Good morning, tiny honey bear. How are you? Hi. Okay, you play with that while I film the intro. Okay, so now there's squeaky noises in the background, so I didn't really think that through too well. But anyways, what is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And can you believe it is the last day of 2018? What the heck? I swear to you, yesterday it was 2002 and I still had beads in my hair, wearing Limited 2, and wanted to be a Bratz doll. Anyways, so with this dawn of the new year coming, it is yet again time to make my infamous mood boards, which honest to God changed my life. No kidding, I literally credit the first one I ever made with why I am here talking to you today, so pretty crazy. But without further ado, kind of a DIY how to make all of your wildest dreams come true. Bippity boppity boo. I knew I wouldn't pass up the chance for a magical rhyme. We are just going to go ahead and get right into it. But first, I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit about the meanings of the mood boards. So all of my mood boards, vision boards, dream boards, whatever you want to call them, they're all based on something called the law of attraction, which basically just means you attract what you put into the universe. AKA, you can manifest what you want into reality by believing it already exists. Magic! I know, it sounds like witchcraft.
Witchcraft.
But it's totally not. It's 1000% real. If you're interested in a little bit more, you can Google it later, or you can go ahead and read The Secret. It tells you a little bit more about it, but that's kind of the idea behind it. So on that note, let's get started. Alrighty, so for this project, you literally need only 3 things. You need some tape, which you can see I have like leftover glitter on it from the holidays, LOL. We have some scissors, a bunch of photos we printed on here, and of course, the actual board. Can't make a mood board without a board. So the whole point of making a mood board is to kind of lay out what you want for your life in the next year. So here's a few from my years past. Like you can see here, some of my past ones. So you can see kind of the generic idea of what we're going to make. And I'll come back to this one in a second. But the first thing that you should always start with is a central quote for the year. You can see my last year's was go get what you dream of. The year before that, I had lived the life you imagined. And of course, my most infamous one of all, what if it doesn't come true, but what if it does? And this year we have a new quote. Become the you of your dreams. You're going to go ahead and stick that right in the center. Perfect. Alrighty, so as for the rest of the things to go on the mood board, you can see these are just a bunch of things that I printed out. I don't own a printer, so shout out to CVS. Okay, so let's put some stuff on it. So one of the biggest things that I want to do this year is be a cleaner person. I literally am a slob. You guys know that. So I can't help it when you have such a shoe addiction. Sometimes it just gets messy. But this year I am going to be clean. So we got this. Keep calm and be clean. Boom. Something else I really want to do is learn to play my piano. It's beautiful. I love it. I am that extra that I literally just bought it for the aesthetic, but I want to learn how to actually play something. So there we go. Stay tuned. Another thing I want to do, dress cute all the time. Like I know you guys think I always dress super glamorously, but no. Like today I couldn't even be bothered to put on a real outfit for this video. Don't get me wrong, this is cute loungewear, but we're not going out like this anymore. We're going to be a fabulous glamorous superstar all the time. You know, just in case we run into Harry Styles, I don't want to be wearing sweatpants. Something else I really want to do this year that I've been wanting to do for a while is write a book. So we're writing a book. Boop. People that inspire you are a great way to get started, like Miss Kim. I want to be a badass businesswoman too, so we got Kimmy on there. Speaking of Forbes, I don't know if you guys saw the list of the top earning YouTubers of 2018, but it was literally all men, so I think we should have a woman on it next year. Boop. Something else that I mentioned before, but be really specific. Like if it's something that you really want, Photoshop it so you can see it in reality. Like this is my name, this is the subscribe button. We're hitting 3 million. It's happening. Got my verified check mark this year, but we are going to hit 1 million this year too. Stay tuned. I have a passion for fashion, so I really just want to post a lot more outfit pictures and really focus on that. And while specifics are important, you can definitely do symbolism too. Like I want to date more, I want to go on one of those influencer travel trips, so we got my passport there. I want to be a good puppy mom. I'm gonna be in YouTube Rewind this year, so boom, there we go. All right, so another important tip is you can't just make the mood board and like not do anything and hope everything is just gonna happen. No. Always have to take action behind what you put on the board. Like last year, for instance, I put this on my mood board. I would love to voice a character for an animated something. And then you know what I did to accomplish that? Literally nothing. Actions always speak louder than words, so make sure you believe it, but also take steps to do it. Like I'm gonna email my managers literally right now and tell them to get me a voiceover meeting. So we're doing voiceovers again. Cool. Bink. There we go. I want to do a dictionary word of the day thing, so stay tuned for a lot of big vocabulary in all my videos, instead of just saying so cute all the time. Wow. 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 So as you can kind of tell by the central quote on my board, this year my mood board is a lot less about like specific goals that I have and more about just becoming the best version of myself, because honestly, I'm already so lucky to be doing what I'm doing and I'm already kind of living all of my dreams out. So this year I really just want to become the best me that I can be. That includes a lot of learning and self-care, and just so I can be the best me for you. Get a skincare routine, take good care of myself. Believe in yourself. This is a post that I saw on Tumblr the other day. Listen to this. My Islamic studies professor told us it is a sin in Islam to think you are superior to anyone. It is a sin in Islam to think you are inferior to anyone. Good stuff, kids. Good stuff. I really want to make videos this year that matter. Don't get me wrong, I love making silly shopping videos and all that, but my favorite thing to do is to make a difference. I think in a past life I might have been a teacher or something, but I really want to make videos that matter because you guys have given me so much more than I could have ever imagined, and I just really want to return the favors. So starting off with this one, I want to help you guys achieve all of your wildest dreams too, so stay tuned for a lot more meaningful videos in 2019. All gonna be living our best lives together. Doesn't that sound fun? I want to start a lash line. More on the topic of that. Guess what? I decided to make $1 million. I really believe in the dream board, so heck, why not? 25 sitting on 25 mil. Ooh, or 1 mil. Girl power, hell yeah. Really can do anything if you set your mind to it. So now that we got that all done, at the top, we're gonna write the year. Every time I do this, I forget my handwriting literally sucks, so I'm gonna redo that later, but ta-da, there it is. And there we have it, 2019. In a nutshell. I'm excited. Make sure you hang it somewhere that you see every single day, like here. So that's this year's mood board, but just in case you wanted to see the power of these guys, we'll look back at the power of last year's. Something I really want to do is go to Australia this year. You guys, look it! There it is! Oh my god! Hi, Kingy. I want to meet Kim this year in a business setting. I'm in the Cake and W Beauty studio, and I am filming a video for Kim Kardashian's app. Really want to start my own company this year. I am launching a clothing line. Oh my god, look at it. This has been a dream of mine for basically my whole life, and I cannot believe that this is real and it's happening. Maybe start a beauty line too. I'm starting a makeup line. AS Cosmetics is officially coming. Look at these. Oh my gosh, they are so glittery. What I really want to do is adopt a puppy. Hi, George. Hi. Instagram, if you're watching this, please verify me. I want the little blue check mark. Oh yeah, kids, we're verified. Don't talk to me, I'm famous now. What's up, MTV? Welcome to my crib. I put this car on my mood board literally 2 years in a row, so I know it's coming soon. My God, can you guys believe this? So to all the dreamers and the non-believers out there, I challenge you to set no limits for yourself in 2019. As a very wise young girl once said, never give up on your dreams because it's never too late, and anything you want in life can and will come true if you truly believe in it. So don't ever let life be anything less than everything you imagined it to be. So pick yourself up by your high heel straps, kids. Go become the you of your dreams. Last time in 2018. Kisses till next time, my angels. To the moon and back always. XO. George, we're gonna do a cheer. Are you ready? 2019. What do we want? Lick the floor. The correct answer was a good time. Let's try again. A good time. Having a dog is so weird.